when we look back at the history of the North Carolina Health and Fitness Foundation, which became Be Active North Carolina, the organization, we have to look to the roots of folks like Red Wilson, and later certainly folks like Jerry Tolley and Lee Sargent and Carla Daniel, and of course Kathy Higgins, and many executives at Blue Cross and Blue Shield of North Carolina, and they're all of them, and so many more that have provided leadership on an ongoing basis, that believed, some believed when there was not one program. There was just a vision, and that vision was to do it differently, and to really address the issue of inactivity in our state. And for them to believe, to take that leap of faith and to say, we get it. So Be Active North Carolina, the initiative, really gained the support inside of state government, and then quickly outside of state government, and it was decided that the initiative would come to live at the North Carolina Health and Fitness Foundation, which had long been established as a way to support the North Carolina Governor's Council on Physical Fitness and Health, and to be more nimble and to be able to garner the resources that weren't available inside of state government. And so the initiative continued to grow at the North Carolina Health and Fitness Foundation, and it was decided a few years thereafter to actually change the name of the foundation to Be Active North Carolina Incorporated. And it seems like a logical and wonderful genesis of Be Active North Carolina, the initiative, to now live on through the wonderful leadership of North Carolina Prevention Partners. So by coming together to create quality, award-winning programs, whether it was Be Active Kids, that was addressing for the first time, certainly in our state, both nutrition and physical activity for 3 to 5-year-olds. That's one example of how organizations came together to create it and then to implement it. That to me is success, when organizations come together to create something that's bigger than the individual parts. The school-based setting is the training of classroom teachers all across North Carolina on the Healthy Active Children policy, and giving them the resources and the knowledge to implement physical activity in the classrooms. And I know at last count it was up over 40,000 teachers that were trained, not only on what Healthy Active Children policy is, but really on how to help implement and get kids more active. I have no doubt that those same leaders and many more that are working in and through North Carolina Prevention Partners will continue on that Be Active North Carolina legacy, but also grow it to even bigger and better things. I see North Carolina as, number one, continuing to lead the way at looking at the model programs and initiatives that have been developed right here in our own state. We certainly still have a long way to go to be the healthiest state in the nation. I think our state could get there. I think North Carolina could be one of the healthiest states in the nation. And the work that is being done with and through North Carolina Prevention Partners has set us on that path.